Hey guys, just a quick video on how I installed my LED lights that I got off eBay. I sent you a link on Facebook for Amazon. It's the same exact set. So I've seen some guys, they will use this trough, which is a good idea, and then just continue to cut a line to put the lights here. I did not want to ruin my sticker, my decal. So instead, what I did is I ran the wires through underneath, through here, which is a nice trough inside, lots of space. And then cut a 90 degree, and the landing light is here. And then what I did is I scored right on the end of the yellow paint to where I wanted my two lights. So one is a nav light and the other is a strobe light. And to get these in here, I just scored it with a X-Acto knife, not even really all that deep. And then I used a small flathead screwdriver to push very slowly the wire in. The biggest challenge with this is even if I didn't do this 90, even if I went straight out, the set that I got off Amazon, the wire is not long enough. So probably the biggest hurdle to do this is I added about an 8-inch section. I didn't need 8 inches, but I just put 8 inches of extra wire on. So you have to solder if you want your nav lights. You could obviously, the landing lights are easy enough. You'd have plenty of wire for that, but you will have to solder if you use the set that I used, extra wiring. That said, where I soldered was closer to where it goes in. So the soldering takes a little bit more space up. So I figured, hey, if I have to solder or wire together, I don't want to have the solder here and somehow try to squeeze it in the foam. Way easier to have it here. Yeah, I think that's it. If you have any questions, let me know.